This is Kotlin Tips, a video series with tips on how you can use Kotlin in a more efficient and idiomatic way to have even more fun when writing code. Today I want to share 3 tips that will help you work with Kotlin collections. Here I have a list of my favorite fruits. It is already sorted by the amount of sugar in them. Tip number 1. You can take the first n elements of a list by using the take function, or the last n elements by using the takeLast function. So, using takeLast gives us 3 sweetest fruits in our list. Conversely, drop will take all but the first n elements, and droplast will take all but the last n elements. Tip number 2. Use the partition function to split a collection into 2 lists based on a predicate. The function returns a pair of lists. The first contains all elements for which the predicate evaluates to true, and the second contains all the other elements. Now I have 2 groups of fruits, sweet and super sweet. Tip number 3. The join-to-string extension function provides a rich set of options for transforming iterables into strings. Separators, prefix and postfix, limiting, and even the ability to specify a lambda for transforming individual objects into their text representation. Using a member reference looks even nicer here. That's all for today. Click like if you already know and use these tips, or if you learned something new today. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes of Kotlin Tips. Have a nice Kotlin!